If you want to add your website link to your Facebook page using Android phone, first open the Facebook app and sign into the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then select Pages and open the page you want to edit. Open your page. Tap the edit button or edit page. The option may vary depending on your Facebook app version. Next, tap page info or contact information and look for the website field. Tap the website field and enter your complete website address such as https www.example.com. Be sure to include https so the link works correctly when people tap it on. After entering website, tap Save. Facebook will update your page and your website link will be visible to visitor. Anyone who visits your page can tap the link to open your website directly from Facebook. If you can't find the website option, update the Facebook app from the Play Store and make sure you log in with an account that has admin or full control access to the page. If the option is still missing, try switching to the Meta Business Suite app where page detail can also be edited. That's all. Your website link is now added to your Facebook page using your Android phone, making it easier for follower and customer to visit your website. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.